Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a little unboxing of this little set that I know I'm late on, but just came in, so yeah. Yep, and right after this video, combo, so yeah, this is your World Champion with the Extended Plus, and I'm using two of these, actually three of these parts in this. Yeah. And if I ever go to tournaments, whenever I get a chance, or whenever there's a tournament in my area, I'll be using this. So yeah. The first one is Dangerous Belial. Dangerous 2. All Might. I'm shocked that Decatur Tommy hasn't gotten a copyright strike from All Might. Phoenix Performance 10 Trample, I'm butchering that. Metal Universe, then I'm not gonna say the rest. Yeah, New Driver, and a Phoenix. And I actually did like the Phoenix, but it was a pain in the ass to put it together. Also, after I get this and the tournament set up, I will be finishing this. It's a fucking beast of a thing. Also, I finished this guy before I started this one. So, another Unicorn Gundam. Of course, Unicorn Gundam is one of my favorite series. Besides Gundam Wing. So, yeah. And before I say anything, I know I've got to do the 800 subscriber Q&A. I still am doing that. Just haven't had a chance to do it yet because of work. Luckily, I'm off tomorrow when this goes up. And Thursday. So yeah. Let's get. Hopefully, I get some rare ones, but probably not because I'm unlucky as hell. Besides the few that I got some. Oh shit. Okay, let's see. 1, 2. Oh god. Shit, no. I will be putting stickers on later. Because I'm not going to deal with that right now. Because I want to get this done. Let's get on with this. Oh god damn. That's fucking huge. Ow. Yay, another braid. Okay. There's Belial. And the one we'll be using in this tournament. So yeah. Let's do the weakest to this will be second, this will be last. So yeah. First off, let's get on with the new launcher, and that's gold. Wish it was red though. Sad. Oh, geez. And with that new bearing, that's gonna be fun to use. That's why. Yeah. I love these solid, pretty fucking big for my adult hands. Here's a Tempest layer. It's decently sized for my hand, so yeah. Let's get on to the weakest link. Got some new parts in this one, and another metal braking driver, and of course bearing. Ooh yeah. Oh god, man, that's. Ooh, yeah, bearing. It actually has a bearing in this one. Oh god, damn, that's gonna destroy you guys. Yeah, the other one has it. And I already have 2 combos besides mine. So yeah, here's the 2 combos I got so far in this tournament. So yeah. Once this video goes up or soon, it will be up. Yay, no brave. Ooh yeah. I like this white. Boom. The new belly. Ooh. And I am gonna let this part driver be in this one, not like the others. Boom. And belly. And that fucking beast. Oh. Yeah, that's a freaking beast. Ooh, I love this solid base. There we go. Now it's the final beast. Oh god, the chunker of these guys. Yeah, god now. Universe. No. Another disc. That's pretty bad. Oh god, no. How to put that there? Okay. There we go. Boom. This chunk of a Beyblade. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh god. Oh yeah. And this is kind of like Hyper Spear, so yeah. Yep, that's right. Hyper Spear style. Pretty good teeth. Really can't wait to use these guys besides in the tournament. And the main one I was kind of really excited for, everyone was really excited for, was this guy. Hey, cut him. Get in, you fucking... There we go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.